formed as cyclones. As we know, cyclones are formed with water. But how it forms? When Earth rotates in the equator region, maximum amount of sunlight will reflect in the sea floor. The temperature, as a result, the temperature will rise. Its equator line separates north and south pole of Earth. Due to Earth's rotation, winds from different directions hit on the sea floor, such as north wind and south wind. This will create a high pressure above the sea and low pressure below the sea. In the sea surface, maximum amount of high pressure will create a crater. It's called as vertex, but a dangerous pit. In the center of one is called as eye of the vertex, and the surrounding is eyeball. This is the main part of the cyclone. Vertex, swirl of water. Wind from different locations pushes and spins through the eye. Warm air goes up and the evaporation process starts and the water gets vaporized. Friends, storm moving factors depends on two factors. One is Earth rotation and wind direction. In South Pole, the storm goes clockwise. In North Pole, the storm goes anti-clockwise. If you don't understand what vertex is, let's do more activity. Come on, do it. Take a bowl of hot water and soften it with the stick. See the vortex. See, have you seen it? Friends, this is how cyclones are creating. See, this is rapid. Whoa, it is very hard to get cyclones creating. Oh, rapid. Very hard to get cyclones creating. Oh, rapid. Friends, during this Nevada's tropical cyclone and its speed rate is 74 miles per hour, which is dangerous. So don't go out anywhere. Kids and elders. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Bye.